we are going to discuss the topic differentiation. This topic is not only for mathematical aspect, but it is also very important for physics also. Here you can see that we have to differentiate the terms x to the power n, c x to the power n, x, x1, x2 and x1 by x2. Now we have to differentiate the term xn. First we use the symbol d by dx and x to the power n. This is the symbol. We have to differentiate x raised to power n, then we write d by dx xn. Suppose we have to differentiate x, then we write d by dx x. Here the answer will be n x n minus 1, and this is very important differentiation. When you differentiate the variable in respect of that term, the answer will be 1. If you have to differentiate constant term c, then answer will be 0. This is the 3 basic differentiation. Now you have to differentiate y, but this time this in respect of x, then we can write d by dx and y, and this will become dy by dx. And what would be the differentiation of y to the power n in respect of x? And we can write d by dx yn equals to n y n minus 1 and dy by dx. But if we have to differentiate the term yn in respect of y, then we can write as d by dy and yn, and the answer is simple, n y n minus 1. Now when you have to differentiate c x to the power n, here c is constant, then differentiation will be c d by dx and x. Then the answer will be c n x n minus 1 . We can take some examples. For example, you have to differentiate d by dx x to the power 5. Then what will be the answer? We already know that 5x 5 minus 1, then 5x to the power 4. We have to differentiate 4x to the power 5, then 4 d by dx x to the power 5, then 4, and here 5x 5 minus 1, 20x raised to power 3. Now we have to remember some trigonometrical differentiation. For example, d by dx sin x, it is cos x. D by dx cos x, it is minus sin x. D by dx tan x, this is sec square x. D by dx sec x, it is sec x into tan x. D by dx cos x equals to minus cosec x into cot x, and d by dx cot x equals to minus cosec square x. Now if we have to differentiate d by dx u into v, here if we have to differentiate in a product form, then we can write it u dv by dx plus v du by dx. We can take example d by dx x square sin x. Then you know that differentiation of sin x equals to cos x. Then first we have to write d by dx, here x becomes u and sin x becomes b. Then u x square d by dx sin x plus v sin x and d by dx x square. The answer becomes x square sin x, differentiation of sin x cos x, sin x, and if we differentiate x square, then 2x 2 minus 1. The answer becomes x square cos x plus 2x comes here, then 2x sin x. Now we have to differentiate the term in the form of u by v. Then the answer becomes v du by dx minus u dv by dx and divided by b square. D by dx u by v, v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by b square. Suppose you have to differentiate d by dx sin x by x square, then a differentiation will be x square, here sin x is u and x square is b. X square d by dx sin x minus sin x d by dx x square and v square x square then it becomes x square sin x, it is cos x, x square cos x minus, if we differentiate x square then it becomes 2x sin x divided by x raised to power. I hope this video have clarified your ideas of differentiation. In the next video we come with integral calculus.